Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm glad to see you all again. If you're new here, my name is Carrie, and today we're going to be doing a Boxycharm unboxing. My Boxycharm finally came in and I'm so excited to see what's in there. So without further ado, let's get into this. Okay, so first things first, we have the card that comes in here. On the back we have a code for 20% off Smashbox, and we have a code for 25% off Laura-Leigh. Inside, the theme this month is Life of the Party. Now, if you don't know, Boxycharm is a subscription monthly box, and it's $21 a month, and you get 4 to 5 full-size products every month for $21. I'll leave the link down below so you can sign up if you're interested. And the card tells us all the goodies that we got and what it retails for. Okay, so first up, Tennessee, New York, organic infused age-defying nail treatment essentials. Sweet almond cuticle oil. Treat yourself, your nails, and your cuticles after a night out. This lightweight, non-greasy oil is formulated with vitamin E, shea, sweet almond, and jojoba oils that are blended together to create a luxurious treatment that softens the cuticles, moisturizes, and hydrates nails. And that goes for $18. Okay, next up we have an item from Bang Beauty. It is their chocolate eyeliner. It says use it as an eyeliner, eyeshadow base, or even touch up your brows. This creamy chocolate tone pomade is the ultimate triple threat. And here's the color. And this is $22. Oh, awesome. Next up we have House of Lashes. These are some gorgeous lashes right here. They're called Featherette. They're handmade. Add length and dimension to your makeup look with your new favorite lashes. Cruelty-free, high quality, and long-lasting, these lashes provide up to 15 wears and will be the talk of every party. These go for $9 to $12. I have a thing to go to this weekend, and this is perfect because now I have a brand new pair of lashes to wear on my outing. This is awesome. This works out wonderful. Okay, next up, apparently you got one of many possibilities for the Smashbox lip product. Here I have the Always On liquid lipstick in the shade Deep Thoughts. Ooh, it's pretty. It's a deep nude, kind of like a coffee shade. Very pretty. I can't wait to try that. And that goes for $21 to $24. Next up we have the highly anticipated, much talked about, Laura-Leigh Los Angeles Party Animal Eyeshadow Palette. And these are gorgeous. There's a nice big mirror. It's a really nice mirror. And wonderful packaging. This is really nice. And all of our colors here. We have It's a Party, Damage Control, Karaoke, Drinks, Bottoms Up, and Hungover. Let's swatch these real quick. There's the top row. There's the bottom row. Very pigmented. I can't wait to play with these. Okay, and lastly we have an item from Wander Beauty. We have 3 Baggage Clean Gold Eye Masks. After a night of partying, who doesn't love a good eye mask? These gold foil under eye masks brighten, hydrate, and reduce the appearance of dark circles. The hyaluronic acid diminishes the appearance of wrinkles, while aloe leaf extracts and lavender oil cool and soothe your under eye area. And these are $13. Oh, and this was $19. I don't remember if I said it or not, but the Laura-Leigh palette is $19. These are $13. So that is it for our unboxing today. I hope you enjoyed your time with me. I enjoyed spending some time sharing with you guys what I got in my box. If you enjoyed the video, please click the thumbs up button. And before you leave, if you would, subscribe and click the little bell so you're notified of all my uploads. And I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.